Hello, I'm Jake with Westcott. Today we're going to be going over the FJ80 Creative Pack. The FJ80 Creative Pack was created for photographers who'd like to have a creative spin on their photography. It can be used on location, at events, or in your home studio. The fun thing is, the FJ80 Creative Pack comes in a nice little kit with a nice hard shell case, which is nice. It'll protect and organize all of your equipment. So we'll go ahead and slide that open here. So when you first open up your kit, you have all the accessories packed in plastic and protected. Let's start off just kind of opening everything up and getting it out. We'll start off with our creative gels. There are 10 creative gels in our pack for lighting scenes or even lighting your subject. With the magnetic gel and lens holder, you just simply drop in your gel, slide it in, and it snaps in and you're ready to go. That will slide right onto your FJ80 and its magnetic mount. You can stack gels if you want to do other creative combos, but the nice thing about the gels is you can add any other accessory on top of them. So if you wanted to add a honeycomb grid, you can simply snap that right on top. With the FJ80 Creative Pack, you get 3 honeycomb grids, which is awesome. You can stack each one to get a different beam angle. So with one grid, you get 30 degree. With 2, you get 60. And with 3, you get 90. With the honeycomb grids, you can narrow the beam angle down, whether you're using it on your subject or on a background. Included in your creative pack is a collapsible snoot. Simply just pop it out, and you can attach it directly onto your FJ80, or you can use the magnetic ring adapter and make it magnetic. Either option is fine. Included in your FJ80 accessories kit is a set of barn doors. With these, you can narrow down your beam angle to whatever beam you would like. They simply attach onto your FJ80 accessories by a magnet. You can do horizontal or even turn it and do vertical. Next is our dispersion lens. This is used when you're using direct flash on your FJ80 or Speedlight. This will help soften the harshness of direct flash and create a softer and more even light. Using the magnetic gel and lens holder, you can attach an FJ80 gel and the dispersion lens for even more creative possibilities. Next, we have our magnetic bounce card. It'll come in 2 pieces in your FJ80 accessories kit. Simply grab your bounce, slide it into the 2 notches here, and it'll snap right into place. And from there, you can attach it to your FJ80 or Speedlight. The nice thing about the bounce card is when using it on location or at an event that has high ceilings. With the bounce card, it'll eliminate that harsh look of direct flash and give you a nice soft light. Included in your FJ accessories kit is 2 additional magnetic adapters. These allow you to connect all of our accessories to third-party flashes. If you have any questions about the FJ80 Creative Pack, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.